After a long day, are you often troubled by insufficient kitchen space or find yourself resisting to cook? Let us introduce you to Azmile Versatile Pan, the go-to cookware designed for modern living. With premium materials, revolutionary durability, and magical storage solution. It folds, it stands, reducing storage space by 80%, can be laid flat or stood upright, fitting into any gap. Employing the latest ceramic technology, it gives Azmile Versatile Pan a non-toxic but great non-stick performance. Through numerous tests, Azmile Versatile Pan promises premium quality and long-lasting durability. With its universal steel bottom, it works with all heating methods. Its deeper body easily handles various cuisines. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast aiming for healthy, a master chef for gatherings, or just want to come up with an easy weekday meal, Azmile Versatile Pan can play its role well, allowing you to serve beautifully and elegantly. Azmile Versatile Pan, designed to be your go-to pan, with premium materials, revolutionary durability, and magical storage solution. Join us now.